Shockwaves in Jamaican track and field. Stona and Campbell confirmed to represent Türkiye. Hibbert and Pinnock, rumored to follow Jamaica's track and field community, has been shaken by the confirmed defection of two Olympic medalists, Roje Stona and Rajindra Campbell, to Türkiye. The pair, who made history at the 2024 Paris Olympics with groundbreaking performances in the discus and shot put respectively, have formally completed the process of switching allegiance to the Middle Eastern nation. As per international transfer rules, they will be ineligible to represent Jamaica for the next 3 years, effectively ruling them out of the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo and the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles. The revelations, first reported by Sportsmax.tv and confirmed by TVJ Sports, detail lucrative contracts offered to the athletes, including a $500,000 signing bonus, monthly stipends, and six-figure incentives for podium finishes at major championships. But while the confirmed departures are already drawing intense public attention, rumors are swirling around two more of Jamaica's brightest stars, Jaydon Hibbert and Wayne Pinnock, who are alleged to be in the process of making the same switch. However, unlike Stona and Campbell, no official confirmation has been made regarding their status. Stona and Campbell, from Paris podium to Turkish colors, Roje Stona, 26, cemented his place in Jamaican sports history by becoming the first Jamaican to win Olympic gold in a throwing event. His monster 70.00 meters discus throw in Paris broke the Olympic record and made him an instant national hero. The Western Jamaica native began his journey at Roje's High and later St. Jago before developing his craft in the U.S. collegiate system. Stona, who had also explored a stint in American football, returned to track and field with renewed focus and was named Jamaica's Sportsman of the Year in January. Now, following his allegiance change, he will not be eligible to represent Jamaica until at least 2028. Rajindra Campbell, 29, also made history with a bronze medal in the men's shot put in Paris, the country's first ever Olympic medal in the event. After a record-breaking season where he threw a national best of 22.31 meters, Campbell emerged as one of Jamaica's top field athletes. His switch to Türkiye is now official. Hibbert and Pinnock, unconfirmed but concerning. The situation becomes even more complicated with speculation that Jaydon Hibbert and Wayne Pinnock may also be preparing to switch allegiance. Multiple sources have suggested the two are considering the move, but no formal documentation or confirmation has been issued. Jaydon Hibbert, just 20 years old, is widely regarded as a generational talent in the triple jump. A two-time world U20 champion and current U20 world record holder at 17.87 meters. He narrowly missed a medal at the 2024 Paris Olympics, finishing fourth. Hibbert's dominance in the collegiate scene has been unmatched, and his move, if confirmed, would be a major blow to Jamaica's future medal prospects. Meanwhile, Wayne Pinnock, 23, was Jamaica's top long jumper at the 2024 Games, winning silver in Paris and previously claiming multiple NCAA titles. His potential transfer has raised eyebrows, especially given his role as a national team leader in horizontal jumps. The JAAA has yet to comment on either case, and attempts to reach both athletes and administrators have been unsuccessful. A growing trend. The defections follow a precedent set by other Jamaican athletes such as Jacques Harvey, now Jack Ali Harvey, and Winston Barnes, now Emery Zafar Barnes, both of whom previously switched to Türkiye. Harvey remains tied for Jamaica's 100-meter national record at 9.92 seconds, and Barnes was part of Türkiye's 4x100-meter national record squad. This latest wave has reignited long-standing debates about athlete support in Jamaica, particularly in field events where infrastructure, coaching, and financial backing often lag behind global standards. While sprinting remains the crown jewel of Jamaican athletics, the departure of world-class throwers and possibly jumpers has exposed structural gaps. What now? Entries for the national championships, June 26th to 29th, closed on June 15th, with a final late entry deadline set for Thursday, June 19th. Notably, Stona's name was not listed among the 11 men entered in the discus, while Hibbert's name appeared late, added only on Wednesday. These developments add to the speculation, but until the relevant authorities or athletes confirm, Hibbert and Pinnock's future with Jamaica remains uncertain. The confirmed losses of Stona and Campbell already represent a major shift. Should Hibbert and Pinnock follow, it could signal a deeper crisis and prompt urgent reflection on how Jamaica supports and retains its elite athletes. Have your say. Do you think Jamaica is doing enough to support field event athletes? Should more be done to keep talent at home?